Hi, I'm Saxby and I head up the interim practice here at EO Executives and in particular the transformation division. So clients come to us for a number of different reasons, and this one client in particular came to us because they were having big problems across one of their sites. So they are a food organisation, a very well-known one, very big one. And one site in particular, they had a few issues around their operational inefficiencies. So they needed a transformation director to come in, work with that piece of business, form a transformation hub across that particular site. They had various different clients like McDonald's and Starbucks, so very high profile clients, and there'd been a few product quality issues, and there'd been some product recalls. They're also losing a tremendous amount of money due to the operational efficiencies, particularly waste. So we worked with them over a few month period to place the transformation director to come in and push forward the project. And with our Change and Sustain program, we then managed to work with him on finding a permanent employee to come in, transfer that knowledge over and carry on with the work. The project was a big success. We're now working with that food business more often across some other sites, and stay in touch for more news.